Have you ever avoided smiling or even eating because of your teeth? Have you ever been told you don't have enough bone for implants? When there is an edentulous area, that is, a space without teeth, over time, bone resorption occurs. So what are the options? Mesh4U. One solution is bone regeneration. A titanium mesh is placed to create space and allow the bone to regrow. After about 6 months, the mesh is removed. After that, dental implants are placed, and it is still necessary to wait a further 4 to 6 months for healing before placing the permanent teeth. But what if there was an alternative and quicker solution? The Implantize Compact is a fully customized implant. Following a CT scan, a 3D model of your bone is created. An implant is then designed to fit your anatomy perfectly. The implant is placed directly onto the bone and secured with osteosynthesis screws, the same ones used in fracture surgery. Minimal preparation allows the implant to integrate securely. And on the same day, the teeth are fitted. Both solutions are scientifically validated, but there is one important difference. Whilst bone regeneration can take up to 12 to 18 months, with Implantize Compact, you can have fixed teeth on the same day. Get your smile back, get your confidence back, get your life back.